Here you go.
Hey, I'm Chris with AffordableMedicalUSA.com. This is the new Buzz Around Carry-On scooter. We're extremely excited about this scooter. It is an awesome scooter. So what we're doing here is just the unboxing. You're going to find this really nice, unboxing this compared to most scooters you might have purchased in the past, or if you're new to buying scooters, this is awesome. So basically it's going to come taped. It's going to look just like this. It's not that heavy. Altogether, you're probably about, let's say 60 something pounds, 70 pounds max box. So you're just gonna open the box, cut it down the middle. Inside you're gonna find a flag that goes behind the seat. You're gonna find the free cup holder that's gonna come with it. You're gonna find the keys and a spare key and the tool to put the cup holder on. It's not that hard, you can do it. And you'll find the charger, and you're gonna find the cord that plugs into the charger. You just plug it right in. This charger will be red when you plug it into the battery pack, and then when it's fully charged, it'll be green. You definitely want to charge this for 12 hours, so do not use it when you get it. I know that's tough. The seat, everything's in here. Just pull this right out. It's very simple. The seat, you're just gonna pull it right out. 12 pounds. Just put it to the side right now. So right now we're gonna put it to the side. Styrofoam comes right out. Nicely packaged. This is a blue one. It does come in red. There's the red over here. There's a handle at the front and a handle at the back, and you just pick it right up. This is about 47 pounds, I believe. We'll have the specs on the page. It's got a 4-inch ground clearance under the deck. And I'll have to measure the ground clearance under the transaxle. But this is all you do. Right here is a release trigger. So you're gonna pull this right up. This just folds back. In here it gives you your quick start, your manual, everything you need to know. You're gonna push this button and you're gonna take this battery pack out. This is not the TSA approved battery, but this one gets you 18 miles on a battery charge. This is awesome. You can charge it through here, so you can leave the scooter in the car. You can charge it through here, or you can charge it through the tiller when the battery is connected. One key thing that they've done is you're gonna loosen up this back thing. There's a label telling you. It just twists off. This comes up. That's your module, so it's enclosed. It's pretty nice. And you're gonna take this fuse out. That's your spare fuse. I dropped it because I'm doing it fast. I'll get that in a minute. And you're gonna plug this right into here. So now you put this back on. So you're gonna come with 2 fuses, 1 spare and 1 that you use. This is your freewheel disengage, forward back, so you want to put this in the O. And you want to charge this battery up for 12 hours. So all you're going to do is put this on the charger by just plugging this in, plugging it into the wall, then plugging it right into here, and then let this go. This will be green. So we're gonna put this to the side. We'll get this going on the charger. Your cup holder. Your key. So put that fuse in with the battery out. And this is the little tool, and it's already got everything kind of set up. So when you get it on, you just remove these, and then you're gonna put this on and then screw those back in. So what we're gonna show you now though, is one already put together. Or this one's already put together. But one that has, let me just do this. Take this battery out, put it into here. I'm gonna show you the lights on it. Take your seat, remove the plastic. It's crazy that this seat's only 12 pounds. Put it right on. And then it's got also right here, it's neat. It's got a cell phone charger. You got your lights, horn, speed knob. Check out the lights on it. And then it's got backlights too. $18 miles, 300-pound weight capacity. These arms split back. So watch this. Taking the seat off, there's a lever up here. That's all you do. Watch, guys. Pull it right up. That's so awesome. Pulls it right up. You can flip these around for storage. I'll show you what else they did with it. You, right here, it won't go anywhere. Release this. Bring this down. Then you're gonna hit your tiller. Quick release, you bring this down. And then if you want, if you have 2 or 3 of these in the back of your car, this little hole right here is for the seat. So if you're not using this for a while, for maybe say you're not gonna use it with lithium, you wanna charge it once a week, push this button. Take this out, leave this in a room temperature environment, plug it up every week. If you're using it, charge it up every night. Don't let it run all the way dead. This thing, I can't believe this gets you 18 miles. That's just, it's so awesome. This thing is 47 pounds. Just for example, you couldn't have done this before. Oh, you got both sides. Even I messed up. You got handles everywhere, especially if it's 2 people picking it up. I mean, that's 2 scooters, you know. So it's just a great scooter. I mean, up underneath it, they've kind of enclosed everything, so you know you should be good if you're out, you know, going through some wet sand or grass. It's just an awesome scooter. I think this will be the best scooter on the market for many years to come. Nice turning radius, smooth ride. I took it for a ride this morning. The Buzz Carry On by Golden Technologies. We made a lot of suggestions what we thought would be a good scooter. They took a lot of what we said, and because we've seen a lot of these scooters that aren't that good. Some people promote these things like crazy, but this thing, it's a no-brainer. It's the best.